guys, it's your girl Amanda Paris. If you haven't been here before, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making some ghost Rice Krispie treats in lieu of Halloween. I thought they were really cute and I thought that we could make them together, so wish me luck. So first up, we have to make the Rice Krispie treats. I'm just using the original recipe from Rice Krispies. You can find it online, it's super simple. Let's hope. I've actually never made them before, so let's do that. And ta-da, we're back. We have our Rice Krispies ready to go. Now we're gonna cut them into ghosts. So I got these cute little ghost cookie cutters on Amazon. She made it look really easy on Instagram, so we'll see how this goes. I've never done this before. I think we're just gonna... Oh wow, that's really hard to get down in there. Okay. Is it gonna come out? I wanted them to be really thick. Maybe I made them too thick, apparently. Oh, look at that! I'm doing it! Pop them out! Look at that! Perfect, so we're just gonna set this over to the side on a little wax paper situation. I kind of want to try this other ghost. Let's see. Oh, look, it's a little ghost. Can I eat some of this? I love Rice Krispie treats. I mean, they taste good. This is my first time making Rice Krispie treats. I've never made them before. I don't remember if I said that. I mean, this is all the extra because we're just doing ghost, so. All right, okay, we're doing it. We're doing it. Look at that, bam! Got another ghost. Out of this Pyrex dish, I can only get 6 ghosts. These are giving me Pac-Man vibes. So now that we have our ghosts cut out, we are going to take some white chocolate chips. I chose Ghirardelli, and we are going to melt them in the microwave so we can, boop, dip our ghost in there.
A few moments later.
And our white chocolate is all melted and nice and creamy and smooth, so let's dip our ghosts. We're just gonna dip the tip. Oh, I squeezed that one too hard. I'm gonna lay them on the little wax paper to cool. What if we go like this and like spoon it on there? Yeah. It was so hard to not eat the Rice Krispie treats while I was melting the chocolate. The leftovers that, you know, were the scrap pieces. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm doing it, you guys. All right, now we let them get hard and then we can put faces on them. Now that the white chocolate is hard, we're going to take some icing and decorate some cute faces on them. So I have a black icing and a red one because I want to do some cute little cheeks. I'm nervous, I don't want to ruin them. Can you ruin them? I don't know, we'll see. All right, so this is what my ghost looks like. We're gonna give him some little eyes. Oh, guys. Not too bad. It's pretty forgiving, actually. Oh, we got little eyes. Look, he's so cute. This is when my OCD kicks in. I'm like, it's gotta be perfect. What kind of mouth should we give him? Should we give him a little like, ooh, cute? What do you guys think? Should we give him cheeks? Should he have cheeks? Oh, I'm nervous. How's this one gonna squirt out? It's very red. Oh, it's so cute. They didn't have pink. I wanted pink, but the red's fine, right? And then I'm gonna put it on this cute little plate I got. Oh my goodness. He's so cute. He's so cute. 1 down, 5 more to go. Now I'm glad there's only 6. I'm so focused. They're so cute, you guys. I tried to make it like he's like smirking. Does that look right? Oh, I like him. He's different. And here's my final Ghost Rice Krispie treats. What do you guys think? I think they came out super cute. I'm really proud of myself, low-key. This was super fun to make. Definitely recommend if you're looking for a little holiday activity to do with your family or your friends, you know, little girls' night in or guys' night in. So if you're looking for a fun holiday activity to do with your friends or family, 10 out of 10 would recommend the Ghost Rice Krispie treats. They're super cute and really easy to make. That's a wrap on today's video. I hope you enjoyed making these Ghost Rice Krispie treats with me. I had a lot of fun. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Make sure to hit that notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment and let me know what you thought of this video and what you want to see next. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye!